Hi friends, good morning. First off, let me explain what is going on.
I'm so excited.
Hey guys, so basically, I came up with this idea. I think I came up with it. I'm not even sure. But I thought it would be so fun for my mom and I to dress each other. You guys love my mom. Let's go downstairs and tell her because so far all I've said is,
Mom, we're hanging out.
so I have to go tell her what we're gonna do, but I think she'll like it. Let's go. I also just really need some coffee right now. Hi, Mom. Good morning. I'm good. Are you ready to hear the video we're gonna film today?
Okay.
I'm gonna take you to the thrift store. Oh. And we're gonna buy outfits for each other.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Really? So I gotta pick out your outfit too.
How many outfits are we buying each other?
Let's just do one for starters.
Just one?
Yeah.
Then
Waist.
do we have to wear that outfit after?
Yeah, try it on. It's
Like,
whatever,
every day.
whatever you find that catches your eye that you think the other person will look good in. So it's not like I'm not picking your style, you're not picking my style. You pick whatever you want me to wear.
Okay, that'd be fun. Where are we going? Just be kind.
So
we're not recording it.
Now it's recording because it's
Oh,
a
it is?
square.
It's recording now.
Yeah. And but see, look at twist.
Twist the lens.
Yeah, because it's really zoomed in. Further back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Focus on your driving. Keep your eyes on the road. Hey, she's teaching me how to use her camera and I'm a little scared. But yeah, we're gonna go and do this.
Yay.
You don't sound very excited.
Oh, well, I like this. I like her little plant thing. Can you see that? I like that. That's about it. Okay, well, we'll talk again in a little while when we get there.
Sure. Talk to them.
Really?
Be like, yeah. Tell them your thoughts. Are you excited for this challenge? You have style in
I
mind.
have a style in mind.
Ooh.
Yeah, and I don't think Melanie. I think she will use it maybe once or twice if she feels like it. I don't know. I don't think it's something she's going to do all the time, but it's cool and classic and timeless. And I'll tell you about my inspo for it later on.
That was good.
Yes, I will. And my thing for fashion is I like, maybe this generation's different, but I like the classics, the classy ladies. And so I'll share about that later when I'm not with her.
Yeah, I told her she's gonna film stuff on her iPhone. She knows how to work that, kind of.
Yes, better than this. Okay.
Okay, that's good. Good
That's
job.
good. Okay, good job. Good job. See you later.
We've made it! Value Village! I'm here with my mom and we're gonna separate, find our pieces, check out, and then we will try them on for you at home. I vlog on your camera, right? Do you want me to show you how to do it?
I know how to do my own camera.
Okay, sorry. Sometimes I do some weird things. Woo! Behind the scenes, yay!
See you later.
See you later. Ooh, okay. Be quite honest with you, I have no clue what I'm gonna do yet. I'm just gonna look for stuff and whatever catches my eye, I will pick out. Maybe I'll make her wear a skirt. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna go with a skirt. It seems kind of fun, but I also got a pair of pants that look kind of fun too to go with it. That's so cute. Guys, should I make my mom wear a tennis skirt? Wow, there's so many. These are so fun.
Okay, one of the first things I need is a pair of boots, preferably brown. So I have to pick between these.
Okay, so little update. I picked out a couple bottoms that I like. I think I'm gonna look for fun sweaters and blazers to be like a little more formal because my mom dresses really casually for the most part. So I kind of want to see her in something a little more stylish, exciting, if you get what I'm saying.
Next, I need a t-shirt that has kind of an iconic logo on the front. It's just plain. I like simple. It has to be white. I was in the wrong section. I was in the extra large.
I am currently looking at the blazers. Guys, I ended up getting a cart. I like really need it.
It's kind of funny because Melanie and I have to shop at the same time and I can't be in the same area where she is. So I'll have to go back to the tops later. I need a jacket for her. Something that looks like a black blazer. I watch Melanie videos and one of the things she says is that you do need to look in all areas of the store. And I was looking for a blazer and I couldn't find a blazer. I'm in the men's section.
Let's take a look at dresses. So fun, actually. Oh my god. This is so bad. I'm low-key shopping for myself. I had to get my own cart. Adding that to my cart, lol. I really want to get her like a nice loose sweater. This is gonna fall. I'm stressed. Oh, this is so cute. Now I just want like a fun jacket. Go with this.
Because they don't have things in her size. Either one of these would work, but I don't think she'd wear that again. Maybe she has something like that at home.
Guys, I unfortunately ended up buying a lot of stuff for myself. I had so much good stuff. Look at that. Got so much stuff. Wow. All right, we finished.
Very good shopper. She got me 2 outfits while it took me all that time to just get one.
But that makes me good. This is bad. I ended up shopping myself a little bit.
Oh. And then the reason I got one extra thing was because I couldn't make a decision. Sometimes when I can't make a decision, I just buy both and stuff. I'll need a little time at home to film something before we reveal.
Okay.
Yes.
Mom, I'm kind of nervous for yours because like...
It's okay.
Because I kept seeing stuff and I was like, oh, like I would wear this, but I'm like, I don't know. Because you just wear basic stuff.
Yes, I wear
like
basic.
she's just wearing colored long sleeves.
Yes.
See you at home when we look at our outfits.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, this is better. I don't know how to do this, how to change this. I'm watching The Crown, and that's the story of the royals and stuff like that. To me, when it comes to fashion, there's certain people that I think are like iconic. I think Princess Diana is a classic person. This is the image. Well, no, not exactly. I don't like the white pants in this one. Kind of what I'm going for. This is the one. That's what I'm going for. Anyways, I don't know if I accomplished what I set out to do, but I just had a lot of fun, and I think that was the main thing. So I hope you enjoy.
Hey guys, so we just got home. I have my massive bag of stuff from Value Village. Got a lot more stuff than I was planning on. But let's go see if my mom is ready. Entering. Voila. Hello.
Hi.
Okay.
I'm here.
Okay. For the first outfit. Yay! I have these green pants. These might be big. I can't. They look really large actually. We're gonna clip these. I just really like the color of them. Green pants.
Why are they so short?
I don't know. I don't know how pants work. To go with it, I got, this is also really big, but I wanted it to be oversized. It's like a slouchy turtleneck sweater, and so I want it to hang over here. And then go with that, I think this purse goes with both of them. My mom likes backpacks, so I thought
I
this
think
would
I
be
saw
cute.
that one at the store, and I was looking at it, but I didn't buy it.
It doesn't really go with this.
Right.
You can carry this
I think
purse.
this is good for your outfit too.
Really cool, like snake skin looking purse. Yay! Outfit number 1. I'm so excited. I'm going with these. I think these are cool.
Those?
Oh wait, that doesn't go with the bag. These?
Yeah. You can't look.
You're gonna walk down the stairs. You're gonna make it like a runway. Ooh, look at her.
What do you think?
I think that it's too big.
Do I have this all the right way?
Would you rate my outfit?
Maybe I should turn it around. Your outfit.
No, that's the same thing. It's long in the front now.
Actually, it's very comfy. I would wear this sweater at home.
I think that sort of look good if you had tight pants.
I'm looking at what you're wearing. This is like your sweatshirt that you're currently wearing, but it's a dressier like sweater. You look.
You can tell I pick out things. I like the colors.
I've never worn these shoes. They've got dust on them. Very uncomfortable. What you doing?
Out for my outfit.
Now your outfit is something you'd never buy for yourself.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
Yeah. Feel free when you see this. Now I could first.
Oh, that's kind of fun.
Okay. And I got another. This is classic.
Oh,
It's a
blazer.
Blazer. This is the look that I'm going for. That's why I ended up getting the. They're too baggy. And then you could use this bag. Turn it off. Do I turn it off? Am I going the right way? You look kind of cute. Come on down. You have to go down further. And okay, stop there. Say something. That's say basketball shorts.
Basketball shorts.
Okay. Anyways, what do you think of your outfit?
I like the boobs.
Yeah, I like the. You look actually very cute. This actually is very cute. It does. It does.
I'm sad. No, you're gonna do like a classy black dress. The blazer's fine. I hate skinny jeans.
I
like
know
the
you
boots.
do. I know you do.
Okay, let's go try on your last one. Let's take a quick thumbnail photo. Hold this. We're on to my mom's second outfit. Okay, first off, this brown skirt. It's kind of like midi, a little bit flowy at the bottom. And then to go with it, I got just this white v-neck, this nice blazer to go over it.
Oh, see, maybe this blazer goes with your outfit.
No.
Yeah, this is also another. It's this similar to that.
Okay. What shoes do you think? Same shoes. Okay, this is mom's outfit number 2.
Okay,
Ooh, very nice. What do you think about this one?
I don't know. I don't know what it looks like.
I like it.
It's actually very nice.
I like the top. I think maybe the skirt is too long. The skirt's too long.
But this is a very nice designer. So it's funny. We each like our outfits on the other person. We're not so sure.
Look in my room.
Shoes are what I have to get.
This is why we didn't film in my room. It's really messy right now. What do you think?
Oh, you know what? That looks nice. Oh, you did pretty good.
Thanks.
I might wear this and this with some pants.
Okay guys, so that was it. I hope that you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun shopping.
fun.
I'm glad. We had fun shopping for each other, having a little bonding, even though we didn't really like each other's outfits. But let us know whose outfits you guys like, or which outfit out of the 3 was your favorite.
I liked your outfit that I got you.
I still don't like it, but we just have different style, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of my mom, make sure to let her know and say hi to her in the comments. Bye. Bye.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.
Bye.
No.
Oh, no.
You pressed the button on the back.
Okay, bye.